When there is no access to the plumbing from below, Schluter-Kerdi drain is installed to the appropriate height and connected to the waistline prior to the installation of the shower base. This can be done in conjunction with the Schluter-Kerdi shower prefabricated tray or a mortar base. The plumbing is in place and must be secured prior to installation. First, let's demonstrate the process using the Kerdi shower tray. The center section can be removed and used to establish the appropriate elevation of the Kerdi drain. Dry fit the drain flange and measure and cut a section of pipe to connect the Kerdi drain to the odor trap below the floor. Assemble the components and verify the fit. You can also use the foam spacers included with the drain. They are designed to position the drain at the appropriate elevation. This can be advantageous on projects where the Kerdi shower trays may not be installed immediately. Prepare the odor trap, cut section of pipe, and Kerdi drain with cleaner, primer, and ABS or PVC cement per the solvent cement manufacturer's instructions. Attach the cut section of pipe to the drain. And connect the assembly to the waistline using a twisting motion. Apply thin-set mortar to the substrate. Then apply it to the top and bottom of the detached center section of the shower tray. Slide the center section into place under the drain to ensure solid and uniform support of the bonding flange. Clean away excess mortar. Check the drain for level. The Kerdi shower tray and waterproofing accessories can now be installed. Now we'll demonstrate the installation with a mortar base. You will need to set the drain to the appropriate elevation using shims. Keep in mind that over wood substrates, the minimum thickness of mortar required at the perimeter of the bonding flange is 1 inch or 3/4 of an inch for concrete substrates. Prepare and connect the plumbing as shown previously. Next, pack loose mortar under the drain up to the inlet hole to ensure solid and uniform support of the bonding flange. Check the drain for level. The screed is then placed flush with the top of the bonding flange of the Kerdi drain, and work on the shower assembly may continue. The integrated Schluter shower system ensures success and makes shower installation easier than ever. If you still have questions, please contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check our YouTube channel to view our videos.